All right, we just made it out here. We're gonna take the kayak all the way to that cove, and then once we get to that cove, we're gonna go exploring, find a couple places that we can make some videos, and then we'll bring our ass back across here, which is gonna be insane. Holy crap, look at this, guys. We need like a 1/8 scale or 1/10 scale to try and climb this shit, just to pull me up this shit. Oh wow, but this is cool. Check out these rocks. All right, let's go up. Does that not look like a shoe? Look at this spot already. This ain't even it yet. As you can see, we've made it about, I don't know, 50-60 feet, and you can see the kayak down there. That's how we came in here. Only one way, and you got a kayak over the lake, so that means that's the same way back, and I'm only halfway up this thing. So here we go. So we made it to the top, as you can see. Looks like it's right there. It's not. I just found this place. As you can see, it looks pretty cool to crawl, right? But I'll tell you what, if you got an expensive rig, don't mess up. I don't know how far that looks, but I'm a good 50 feet over all these rocks, and anybody want to come crawl this, it's on. We're gonna take the Deadbolt and the Chevy, see what we can do over here. This is some of the most wicked stuff I've ever seen. I'd love to try out some of those 1/10s out here, just didn't bring any, so this time we're probably just gonna, this time's just scouting, but you can see these are kind of ridiculously cool. You can see all these, and you really don't want to mess up, like I said, because that's a ridiculous cliffs. I don't know if the Deadbolts can make that. I've had some pretty bad wrecks, but even if I fall from here, it's not gonna be good. So we're gonna climb around some more. Look how wicked this is. There's a bunch of bats, or there's a bunch of birds out there. Look how cool this is. Let's see if we can zoom in. We have the whole coastline. It's all rocks. Perfect for coming out here and just crawling. Just to show you the scale of how high this is. Watch. Takes a while. Ooh, that is pretty cool. Let's see if we do a boulder. All right, ready, guys? Ooh, I wouldn't want to be that. Do not slide out here. This was kind of wicked. So now we made it down from there, and we were pretty much done crawling. Batteries were dead, so we decided perfect chance to go fishing. The only problem is I'm the worst fisherman in the world. We came out to the only place that you probably could catch a fish pretty easy. They were even jumping earlier. And I threw my rod out and caught a rock instead of a fish and snapped the rod in half. So now we're on our way back. Awesome little adventure. Lost a fishing pole, but other than that, awesome. The winds finally calmed down, so we're gonna jump back on the kayak, take the trucks and everything else all the way back to our vehicle over there. So thanks for everybody for watching. We just wanted to show you exactly where we're coming out to do all these videos. This is Green River, absolutely amazing out here. So we got to get back over here before the wind picks up. All right, we made it back just in time. The wind's starting to kick up, get a little bit of waves going, but we made it across again for your entertainment. So everybody, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, do all that. Until next time.